Hi you guys, it's Lynnea. Today I'm going to create a quick and easy one-layer card using some of the products from the latest Simon Hurley Create release. I'm going to be featuring the Window Maker Stencil, and my sentiment will come from the Encouraging Word stamp set. The Window Maker Stencil is just like it sounds. You can create a cute little window scene looking into somewhere or looking out. So for me, I decided to have it looking out. I'm going to just place this stencil in the center of my card. I used my T-square ruler to line that up, and once I did, I tacked that down with some purple tape, and then I also used that tape to mask off the extra areas of the stamp set. I just wanted to use the Clear Skies Simon Hurley Create ink to give some light blue inking so that it looks like you're looking out the window into a sunny or blue sky. Once I'm done with that, I can just peel off my stencil, and then I'm just going to keep reusing that tape. I do have to apologize, my head gets in the way an awful lot in this video. I just like to put my head directly over top of the stencil to make sure that I am lining that up correctly. I'm going to be using the Gur ink. This is the Simon Hurley Create brown ink, and I'm using that for the wooden pieces of the window. So like the window sill and then the topper that goes around the arch of the window. I'm just using that same Gur ink, and then there is a little shadow piece that goes above the windowsill. I'm going to be using the Bee Sting ink for that since I don't have a darker brown in the Simon Hurley Create ink line. I'm just going to use the Bee Sting, which is his red ink, and that's going to give me a little bit of shading and definition. I inked up the shutters with some Triple Berry ink, and now I'm going to use his new Crown Me ink. This is like a royal purple color. I love it, and I'm just going to add some detail to those shutters. I have a cloth right next to me so that I can just quickly wipe away the ink that's on the stencil and the purple tape in between my inking so that I don't have any extra ink carrying over to the various areas of the stencil. I added a little vase with a flower and a little leaf, and then I used a pen just to quickly draw in a stem from the flower to the pot. I'm going to choose my sentiment, "You Are a Blessing," from the Encouraging Word stamp set, and I'll use VersaFine Onyx Black ink to stamp that at the bottom of my card. And this quick and simple one-layer card is finished. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!